Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your DirecTV box flashing green and orange. So we'll be seeing what does that mean and how can you quickly fix it. Fix 1. Perform a red button reset. Locate the small physical red reset button on your DirecTV hardware. Look on the right hand side of a Genie Mini or Genie receiver, or check behind the pull down access card door on the front panel of larger DVR boxes. Press and hold the red button down firmly for exactly 3 seconds. Release the button and allow the receiver 3 to 5 minutes to fully reboot its operating system. Step 2. Execute a power cycle to force a cache clear. Unplug the power adapter cord directly from the back of the flashing DirecTV box. Disconnect the opposite end of the power cord from your wall electrical outlet or search stripe. Leave the box completely disconnected from power for at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back in to clear out any corrupted background operational loops. Step 3. Reseat your coaxial satellite signal line. Unplug the box power cord once more to prevent electrical shorts while handling data lines. Twist the metal locking collar of the primary coaxial cable counterclockwise to detach it from the box input port. Inspect the center copper wiring pin to confirm it is perfectly straight and free of dust or ash. Push the connector back onto the port socket and turn it clockwise until it is hand tight. Fix 4. Force a clean firmware installation code. Press the physical red reset button on the side of your box to initiate a standard boot cycle. Watch your TV screen carefully for the first blue DirecTV welcome startup image. Pick up your DirecTV remote immediately and type the numeric sequence 02468 using the keypad. Keep your remote pointed at the box while the system overrides the boot track to download a fresh software version. Fix 5. Power cycle the wireless video bridge. Skip to this step if you are troubleshooting a wireless Genie client box. Walk over to your home's central large or main Genie server box and standalone wireless video bridge tower. Disconnect the main server's power cord from the wall for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for the main bridge to establish a solid green status before turning on your secondary satellite receivers. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.